So once you create yourself a Evernote account, what you want to do is you'll land something like this. It will tell you to get started. You don't really want to get started, so you're just gonna skip that. And then go over here to create a new note. Now you can create notes, obviously. So basically, what you're gonna do is create a note. Once this page finally loads up, you can basically give it a title, and then you can also give it the text which you want to keep. And once you're done, it will basically save this, and now you got yourself a note which you can read and deploy. They also have here that you can create a task, which once this loads up, I'll show you how you can do it. It's not usually this slow. I don't know really why it's taken up. And basically you give it the task title, you give it the task description, what you want to do, and want to give it the due date or the deadline. So for example, you want to get something done by tomorrow, and then you want to assign it to, for example, if you have a lot of people in your workflow, it's easier to kind of like navigate through them, and then priority, how urgent this is, if it's high, if it's medium, if it's low. And then you can basically flag, which I'm not quite sure what this does, but it maybe just flags it so you could kind of see it, but I don't know. And then click create task, and once you're done that, you should be seeing it here.